The Saint Laurent Envelope Bag in the mixed media matteless leather is a stunning bag. This is a bag that's going to elevate any outfit. In today's video, I'm going to review the Saint Laurent Envelope Bag in the mixed media matteless leather. I'm going to show you what fits inside, and I'm going to give you mod shots. Super excited to show you this bag. And welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, I'm Ashley Dunmore and I put out videos on fashion, beauty, and luxury on Tuesdays and Fridays. So if that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and click subscribe and turn on the bell and you'll be notified whenever I put out new videos. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the Saint Laurent Envelope Bag in the large size with the mixed matteless leather. This bag is a stunner. From the moment I saw this bag, I knew she had to be a part of the family. I couldn't decide which size I was going to get her in because it comes in 3 different sizes. It comes in the small, the medium, and the large. And I couldn't decide which color. I was torn between getting the black with gold hardware or the beige with gold hardware. The problem with me was I didn't have any black bags. I tended to buy bags in every color but black. And so for this particular bag, I said, no. You're getting a black bag. You need a black bag to go in your collection. So that's how I ended up with this one. She is a stunner. The black bag with the gold hardware is just so classic and timeless, and it just looks effortlessly chic. I actually took this bag with me to a daytime wedding, and it was a wonderful essential for me because I was able to really add this bag as an accessory to kind of elevate the look of my outfit, but also fit so many things I needed in it. And the wedding that I was at, it was a little bit long of a ceremony, but I had a bottle of water and I had everything I needed. I absolutely love this bag. So in today's video, I'm going to review this bag in several different areas, and you can decide if this bag is right for you. So let's get to it. Here she is. Here is my Saint Laurent Envelope Bag in the large size with the mixed media matteless leather. So let's get started by talking about the materials. This bag is made of a super durable leather. This bag is held up so well, and it's had a variety of stressors where I've accidentally bumped into things or my dog has scratched it, and there is no damage. This bag is so durable, I firmly believe that I would have to get something sharp and intentionally damage it in order to damage this leather. I won't, because I love her. But let's talk about this material a little bit. So you've got 3 different patterns of quilting on this bag. So you have these diagonal stripes here on the bag. You have the traditional chevron pattern that Saint Laurent is known for. And then you also have a traditional quilting pattern that is on the bag, like below the flap, and it's also present on the back of the bag. The quilting detail on this bag is super unique and super innovative. I love innovative things when it comes to designers, and I haven't seen any bags quite like it. And so when I first saw this bag, I just knew she was gonna be family. Now let's get into the hardware. Y'all, look at this hardware. Look at this shiny gold hardware and how it pops on this bag. This gold hardware is just so timeless and elegant. I absolutely love the combo of black bags with gold hardware. There's just something so chic about it to me. So the YSL logo is of course in the gold, and then you have these grommets up here that hold the strap. It's just a beautiful, beautiful detail. And then the chain strap is gold. I just love this bag. I do worry sometimes about the YSL logo and the fact that the gold is so shiny. I worry that it's going to scratch. So far it hasn't, but it doesn't have the same antique gold finish that a lot of my other Saint Laurent bags have, but this bag is just, it's a stunner. So the snap closure on this bag is a magnetic snap closure, and I just have to tell y'all, this is my least favorite feature of the bag. I sometimes find it a little bit difficult for me to get this bag open and closed, but nonetheless, I still love her. Let's talk about the strap. So the strap on this bag is a double chain strap, and it has leather here to make sure it's really comfortable on your shoulder. So you have the option to wear this as a shoulder bag, or you can wear it as crossbody. So I don't typically wear this bag as a crossbody. I mean, you can in a pinch, but it's a little bit big to be a crossbody bag. It's a little bit awkward, but it does work in a pinch. I will say that the strap is a little bit heavy, so just keep that in mind about the bag. But if you look at this gold chain, it's super shiny, it's super extra, and y'all already know I'm so here for it. Now, let's talk about my absolute favorite feature of this bag. So for those of y'all who have seen my Pochette Matisse videos, y'all know what my favorite feature of that bag is, and it's the back pocket. This bag too has a back pocket. This back pocket is absolutely humongous. I generally just put my phone in it, but you can fit so many things in it. It really makes up for the struggles that I have with the magnetic snap closure not being so great. Okay, so let's talk about the interior. The interior of this bag is really simple. So this bag is really structured, which is great because it holds all your essentials in place. But this bag has one main compartment on the inside, and it has a zipper pocket that you can put important things, like if you have like a small wallet or something, in that pocket. It's really small, but it's super functional. I actually love the fact that this bag has a really nice main compartment and doesn't have any dividers or anything, because I can fit really large items in it. For example, when I went to a wedding, I was able to fit an entire bottle of water in there. And that's something that's unusual with a bag of this kind of structure and elegance. I really appreciated that about it. So you got the inside flap, it's leather, and the Saint Laurent emblem is embossed on the leather, and the bag is a black interior, which is really nice because it's not going to show a lot of dirt and it's not going to damage really easily. It's not going to show a lot of scratches. Love the interior of this bag. All right, so let's talk about the quality. I have already talked about how much I love Saint Laurent bags in another video, and I'll link that in the description box, but Saint Laurent has outstanding quality, and this bag is no exception. From the leather being so durable and just standing up to so many different stressors, to the hardware being absolutely beautiful on every piece of the bag, and the stitching is perfect, the seams just perfectly match up. Everything about this bag is extremely well done. And one of my favorite things about this bag is the fact that, you know, for a bag like this and the price point, it's really reasonable. Because if you were to look at a comparable bag from Louis Vuitton or Chanel, you'd be paying much more than the price tag you have with this Saint Laurent Large Envelope Bag. The Saint Laurent Large Envelope Bag retails for $2,650, and if you were to go look at a comparable Chanel or Louis Vuitton bag, you would be paying much more than that. So for that reason, I think this bag is an excellent bag for the money. All right, so let's see what fits inside this very large bag. So first things first, I have a cosmetics kit that has just some things for touch-ups and my contact kit. A mini contact kit, that is. I have a full 16.9 ounce bottle of water in here. I have a pair of sunglasses. I have a mask because COVID. I have my Louis Vuitton 6-key holder. I have my Louis Vuitton key pouch that I use this to put all my cards in. I have a pack of tissues, hand sanitizer, again, because COVID, and I have perfume. On the back side of this bag, in this gigantic back pocket, I have my phone, which is an iPhone 12 for reference. This bag can fit some really large items. You just have to kind of prioritize what's important for you to bring with you for the day. So love the size of this bag. I love the Saint Laurent envelope bag in the large size. This bag is a great size for me because I can fit so many different essentials. While I really love the look of the Saint Laurent envelope bag in the medium size, it doesn't fit as much, and that's why I went with the large size. This bag is a stunner. She is just so classic and so elegant and just instantly elevates every outfit that I have. Because of COVID, I don't really carry her as much as I would like because I'm usually carrying a more casual bag because most events are still pretty much outside. But nonetheless, I still reach for her and she still just adds a nice little pop to my outfit. So I really enjoy her. What do you think about this bag? Please let me know down below in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'd love to have you here. Until the next video, bye!